It's official, Microsoft is retiring Skype for consumers. After over 2 decades of revolutionizing online communication, Skype will be discontinued on May 5, 2025. But why is this happening? And what does it mean for you? Stick around as we break it all down. Let's explore why Skype is being phased out and what's next for users. Skype launched in 2003 and quickly became the go-to app for video calls, voice chats, and instant messaging. Microsoft acquired it in 2011 for $8.5 billion, integrating it into various platforms. However, with the rise of competitors like Zoom, WhatsApp, and Slack, Skype's popularity declined. Many users found alternatives with better features and reliability. Now, Microsoft has made the bold decision to retire Skype and transition users to Microsoft Teams. So, why is Skype being shut down? There are a few key reasons. Shift to Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams offers more features, including group collaboration, file sharing, and enterprise communication tools. Declining usage. With millions switching to alternative platforms, Skype's user base has significantly shrunk. Technology advancements. Skype's aging infrastructure struggles to compete with modern cloud-based systems. Microsoft wants a unified, streamlined communication platform. If you're still using Skype, don't panic. Microsoft has outlined a transition plan. Existing Skype users will automatically be migrated to Microsoft Teams. Contacts, messages, and chat history will be preserved. Users can continue using their Microsoft accounts without creating new ones. This means that switching to Teams will be seamless and hassle-free. Microsoft is positioning Teams as the ultimate communication tool. It's not just for businesses anymore, it's for everyone. Personal and group calls. Just like Skype, but with better security and AI-powered features. Integrated messaging. Chat, video, and file sharing in one place. Cross-platform support. Works on desktop, mobile, and web without limitations. Teams is evolving to be more user-friendly and versatile, making it a solid replacement for Skype. The end of Skype marks the end of an era, but it also signals a new beginning with Microsoft Teams. Are you ready to make the switch? What are your thoughts on Skype's retirement? Will you be using Teams, or will you switch to another platform? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Today Spot for more tech updates. See you in the next video.